Imagine if two of the most powerful home financing strategies joined forces to bring you closer to the doorstep of your next dream home. Today, we are unveiling a dynamic duo that can do just that, combining your home equity line of credit, HELOC, and a mortgage recast. Let's explore how these two can work in concert to streamline your path to a new home. Hi, I'm Allison Moreau, broker, owner, and founder of Recast Realty. With a rich background to connecting individuals to their dreams homes in Staten Island and New Jersey, I am thrilled to share this innovative financing strategy with you that can transform your home buying experience and get that scary buying, selling back in the past. All right, let's go over what a HELOC and a mortgage recast is. A HELOC allows you to borrow against the equity of your current home, offering flexibility, access to funds at the potentially lower rate than many other financing options. A mortgage recast, on the other hand, involves making a large payment towards your home loan's principal, then having the lender recalculate your monthly payment based on the reduced balance, keeping your loan terms and interest rates the same. Now, the fun part. Together, these strategies offer a powerful way to manage your finances when moving from one home to another, particularly for those looking to avoid the sale of buyer's property contingency. Now, here's why they work well together. Utilizing a HELOC provides the upfront cash needed for the down payment on your new property, enabling you to move quickly in competitive markets without waiting to sell your current home. That also gives you the best option when there's a bunch of offers in front of each other. Following the purchase, a mortgage recast on your new home loan, fueled by the proceeds from the eventual sale of your old house, lowers your monthly mortgage payments. This one-two punch of financial strategy not only provides liquidity, but also optimizes your long-term financial commitments. And here's how to seamlessly navigate buying your next home using a HELOC and a mortgage recast. Okay, evaluate your current home's equity. Understand how much you can borrow against your current home's equity line through a HELOC. Then you secure your HELOC. Shop around for the best HELOC rates and terms that suit your financial situations. Buy your next home. Use the HELOC funds for your down payment, enabling you to make an offer without a sale of buyer's property contingency, which is the biggest thing. Then you sell your current home. Once you have moved in, sell your previous home at the best possible price. And don't forget to call the best realtor ever in Staten Island, New Jersey, me. Then you apply for your mortgage recast. Use the proceeds from the sale to make a large payment towards your new mortgage principals and request a recast to lower your monthly payments. And then enjoy your new home. With a lower monthly payment on your new home, you've successfully navigated a smooth transaction. I'm Allison Moreau, broker, owner, and founder of Recast Realty, where we are dedicated to crafting seamless connections in real estate tailored just for you. Stay informed, stay connected, and I will see you in the next video.